part of Assam named after the Barak River. This valley includes Kachar, Shribhumi and Hailakandi. The soft rustle of tea leaves in green vast gardens. Rivers whispering ancient secrets through sleepy villages. Forest mist curling like poetry in the dawn. And towns where every kindness is served in every cup of chai.
Barak Valley is a region where nature speaks and people listen. But what truly makes Barak Valley special, it's not just its people, its beauty. It's a place where communities come together like families, people belonging from different ethnicities, racial groups, religions and cultures live side by side, celebrating each other's festivals, sharing food, culture and values. This peaceful coexistence has shaped a society where unity is not just a word but a way of life.
Barak Valley is also geographically significant. It holds the largest wetland of Assam, which is Sonbel. The Borai Ranges and Bhuvan Pahar are the mountains that enhance the natural beauty of the valley. At the heart of this valley lies Silchar, the largest city and its cultural, educational and commercial hub. Often called the gateway to the northeast, Silchar is home to institutions, businesses, artists and students who represent the dreams of this entire region. The people of this valley carry deep cultural roots while embracing progress, technology and education. It is a region where tradition and modernity work hand in hand, where every hill, every river and every village has a story to tell. Stories of struggle, unity, culture and hope.
Barak Valley, the land of martyrs. The valley may not always make headlines, but its legacy of courage, sacrifice, and love for the nation and linguistic identity runs deep. It's a land where ordinary people have performed extraordinary acts for freedom, identity, and honor.
Let's go back to 1857 to Maligar, in Lattu village in Shribhumi district. 26 brave sepoys of the 34 native infantry rose against British colonialism. They were killed in a battle and buried on site. The small hillock where they rest is known as Maligar Tilla, is a living testament to their valor. The valley spirit continued to 1999 during the Kargil War. Nandachand Sinha and Chinmoy Bhome from Kachar district joined Operation Vijay and laid down their lives defending our borders. Their memory lives on through the Kargil Vijay Samarik in Silchar, the first war memorial of its kind in Assam.
For the Vishnupuriya Manipuri language, Shaheed Sudeshna Sinha sacrificed her life demanding official recognition for the language in the year 1996 in present-day Shribhumi district.
Language movement erupted when Assamese was imposed as the sole official language in a region where Bengali was widely spoken. On 19th of May 1962, at Silchar railway station, police opened fire on peaceful protesters. 11 lives were lost. These Bhasha Shaheeds laid down their lives to defend their right to speak their mother tongue.
In 1986, Kalingal saw another wave of resistance. Jaganmay Dev and Dibendra Das laid down their lives for the dignity of the Bengali language and culture. It is because of them, the martyrs, that we are able to live with dignity and pride in our culture. We bow down our heads to thank and honor them for their sacrifice.